you go to save a file to Google Drive like you've done 1,000 times, and the folder's just gone, vanished from File Explorer. That little G shortcut in your sidebar, not there. Your files aren't lost, I promise, but that doesn't stop the mini heart attack. I've been helping businesses sort out Google Workspace headaches for over 15 years, and this one comes up constantly. But the good news is it's almost always fixable in under 5 minutes. Today I'll show you the quick checks, the nuclear option if needed, and how to stop this from happening again. I'm Peterbot Moriarty, and I'm helping Peter create some of his videos while he helps support our customers. Now, if you're in a hurry, here's the 30 seconds version. First, check if Google Drive for Desktop is actually running. Look for the icon in your system tray. Second, if it's running but the shortcut is gone, re-add it manually through Drive Preferences. Third, if nothing works, sign out and back in, or do a clean reinstall. You can check the timestamps below if you want to jump straight to your situation. Now let me walk you through each step properly. Before you do anything else, is Google Drive for Desktop actually running? Look at your system tray, but that's the bottom right of your screen, near the clock. You're looking for the little Google Drive Cloud icon. If it's there, great, Drive is running. The issue is just the shortcut. If it's not there, Drive isn't running. That's why the folder disappeared. To fix this, open your Start menu, type Google Drive and launch it. Give it 30 seconds to sync up. After that, check File Explorer again. The folder should reappear in your sidebar. If it's still not there, as always, a quick restart of your computer will sometimes bring back apps that have gone walkabout. If it's back, you're done. If not, keep watching. Now, Drive is running, but the shortcut is still missing. This usually means the folder got unpinned from quick access somehow. Here's how to manually add it back. Open File Explorer and go to this PC. You should see Google Drive listed as a drive. Usually shows as Google Drive, G, or similar. If you see it here, right-click on it and select Pin to Quick Access. Boom, it's back in your sidebar. But if you don't see it as a drive at all, that's a deeper issue. We'll fix that next. A quick note, some people prefer the stream method versus the mirror method for Google Drive. If you're mirroring files, they live in a regular folder on your C drive. If you're streaming, they appear as a virtual drive letter. Doesn't matter which you use for this fix, just know where your files actually live. All right, if you've tried these steps and you're still stuck, or honestly, if you just don't want to mess around with this stuff, this is your exit ramp. We have a service called Quick Fix, an instant support and fast turnaround service. Head to itgenius.com/quickfix or click the link in the description. If you're feeling brave and want to go deeper, keep watching. Now, sometimes the connection between your Google account and Drive for Desktop gets weird. The fix is simple, but slightly annoying. You just need to sign out and sign back in. Click the Drive icon in your system tray. Go to Settings, the cog, then Preferences. Under your account, click Disconnect Account. Confirm you want to disconnect. Wait for it to fully sign out. Then sign back in with your Google Workspace account. Drive will resync and the folder should reappear in File Explorer. This fixes about 80% of the Drive folder disappeared issues. Important note, your files aren't deleted when you disconnect. They're still safe in Google Drive Online. You're just reconnecting the pipe between your computer and the cloud. Now you've done all that, but it's still not working. Time for the nuclear option, uninstall and reinstall. This sounds dramatic, but it's actually pretty painless. Open Windows Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Google Drive. Click the 3 dots next to it and hit Uninstall. Let it fully uninstall, might take a minute. Now go to google.com/drive/download. Download the latest version of Google Drive for Desktop. Run the installer. Sign in with your Google Workspace account when prompted. Let it sync. Depending on how much you're streaming or mirroring, this could take a few minutes or a few hours. Once it's done, your Google Drive folder should be right back where it belongs. If you're mirroring a lot of files, the initial sync will take longer. Pro tip, do this at the end of the day and let it run overnight. Now, you fixed the problem. Let's make sure it doesn't come back. First, set Google Drive to launch at startup. Go to Drive Preferences, then Settings. Make sure Start Google Drive on System Startup is checked. This way, every time you boot up, Drive is already running. You can also check this in Windows Task Manager, then Startup Apps. Make sure Google Drive is set to Enabled. Second, don't unpin it from Quick Access accidentally. If you're doing a cleanup of your sidebar and you remove Drive, it won't automatically come back. Just be aware of what you're unpinning. Third, keep Drive for Desktop updated. Google pushes updates that fix bugs and improve stability. Usually it auto-updates, but if you're having recurring issues, manually check for updates in Preferences. That's it. Your Google Drive folder should be back, and hopefully it stays that way. If this helped you out, hit subscribe. We put out new Google Workspace content every week. And if you found other fixes that worked for you, drop them in the comments so we can add them to our next video. This is Peterbot. I'm helping Peter support the IT Genius community, and we will see you in the next one.